So, Sheikh, I was standing for prayer, like alone in my home. At that time, my mom was talking something related to Islam. So I was about to pray, but my mom was talking about Islam, and I told her to go, but she was like continuously keep talking. But then I angrily said her like, please go from here. So, Sheikh, I was wondering like, is it kufr? Because she was talking about something related to Islam. But I didn't mean to hate Islam, but I just said her because so that I can concentrate on prayer. And yeah.
It is a major sin to speak in such a fashion to your mother. And you have a problem of prioritizing issues. If your mom was speaking about Islam and it is something positive, you could have spent 1 or 2 minutes trying to show her compassion and that you're engaged. Oh yeah, subhanallah, very nice, oh, okay, wow, I didn't know that. Makes her feel good, saves you time, makes you appear as an attentive son. And then you may say to her, okay, mom, I think I have to pray. Can I pray, please? And she would immediately go because she was received well. You have to know how to treat people and how to prioritize your stuff, and also to differentiate between what is kufr and what is not. It is a problem, a big problem, when you keep on consistently asking, not you, but generally people, when shaitan messes up with their head, and every time they do something, he throws this whisper in their head. You just drank water in 2 sips, not in 3, like the sunnah. Is it kufr? Am I ungrateful to Allah Azza wa Jal? Should I vomit what I drank so that I can rectify it? All of this is nonsense.
To perform madmada and istinshaq wa istinthar, to turn the water in the mouth and to rinse your nose, this is problematic for him because he's fasting, and there's no problem in that. In the hadith of Laqit ibn Sabra, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet ordered him to exaggerate turning the water in the mouth to clean it, to cleanse it, and in rinsing your nose and pulling the water up your nostrils with breathing and then blowing your nose. The Prophet told him to exaggerate unless you're fasting. So when you're fasting, you do not exaggerate, but you do it slightly, and there's no problem in that.